Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Advocate Bid Basic to Advanced video number 6. Before in this previous videos, we completed the draw and modify bar. Today we will take this some basic thing about when we are working. The first one is graph. If we need graph from here, we can appear a graph, and this for this snapping to graph. If you can see they are snapping to the graph grid. So these two options are using for graph. Sometimes if you need graph, you can appear from here the graph. The next option is to draw line. If you need this ortho is mode is on, it is off, you can draw line in any side or any angle. So if the ortho mode is on, you can draw only line on the 90 angles. F8 is the shortcut for this. The next is tracking setting. Tracking setting mean if you set the angle, like if I want to draw a line and I want to draw in some specific angle, so now you see when he reach 90 angle, it's showing the line. So this is the tracking. Now you see on the 90 it's draw a green color line. On 45 I will set on 45, it will show me the line when it's reached 45 angle. So each 45 angle when it's read, it's showing a dash green line. Suppose if I want to draw here a line of 45 angle, so now you can see the angle is 45. Okay, the next option is this is tracking setting. From here if you go, you can set also the angle. These settings are very important during our work when you are working. The next thing is isometric. Sometimes we need from 2D line to object, some object showing like the view is 3D. It will be 2D object, but it will look like 3D object. So you can change the cursor, like from here you can see now the cursor has changed now in the angle, and you can move in specific. If you cannot move, click here and change the direction of the isometric view. So like this, if you draw in line, sometimes you need to draw some object in 3D view, like the view is 3D but it's also the 2D object but look like 3D. From here you can change the direction of the cursor like this, and if you trim the line inside, it will look like a 3D object. Now you can see it's look like a 3D object. So isometric view is using for drawing. Like sometimes we need to draw object look like 3D. So from this one, now if you cannot draw the line to the below direction, you must change from the here, you must change the direction. So when you change the direction, you must not use the offset command in this view. Take a copy each time you need something. Take a copy, don't take offset. Like now you can see it's look like 3D object. The next thing is object snapping. Object snapping is very important in AutoCAD. Sometimes when we are working, if I clear all and I want to start a line from any point, it will not showing me the end point or the midpoint or any. Suppose here now you can see I don't know where is the end point. It's not showing me the yellow rectangle. So if I select all, now you can see it's showing me each of the place here, the green rectangle. Now you can see I can draw line from anywhere. Suppose I want to draw from the mid, so it's showing me the midpoint because it's selected here. uh, if you turn off this, now you can see it's not showing me the midpoint. So this must be on every time and select all. So every time when you are drawing a line, it will show you the midpoint, the same like there is showing the shortcut for that. There is shortcut, you can press F3 to turn on or turn off this object. So the next thing is cycling. Cycling is used sometimes we draw object above each other. Suppose there are two circle, one is red, is in red color, and above that there is the white color circle. So if this option is up, if I selected the upper layer, the upper circle will selected the below. When I turn on and click here, it's showing me which circle you want to select. So this option is for very useful when there is object above and below each other. So now I can select the red color, and if I want to move it, I can move and I delete this. So these object using AutoCAD and very useful object. You must know about these object. All object, the animation we will use it later for it is for text or dimension. And from here you can use the scale was in civil 3D. So it's we will discuss it later. Okay, so this was today video about these things. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay, thank you.